unlocking the doors of gaming. So, boys and chaps, welcome to Game Wrap.
Talking about the much awaited game Valorant, which is scheduled to release on 2nd June, has some serious concerns. The beta test indeed went well, but the server issue could haunt the players. Reportedly, people playing this game from India, Middle East and Vietnam could experience serious latency issue because they would be redirected to SCE and EU servers, and those servers definitely could not handle so much of load, hence the latency. That's the reason why India, Middle East were not given the demo to play when the whole world was playing the demo. Knowing these facts, I think the developers and publishers should have taken time and come with a solution before the release of this much awaited game. Moving on to the next story, the new Call of Duty Black Ops game, as you guys know, has been confirmed to be titled as Cold War. But the interesting fact here is that this game would not be a remaster or remake of any of the Call of Duty franchise game, but we would be seeing new storylines, new characters and new map. And also offline gaming campaign would be available with this game. Finally, Activision has listened to gamers, and also this game is scheduled to release on December this year. Other Side Entertainment, who are working on System Shock 3, which was announced in way back 2015, are facing serious challenges in development as well as post-production of the game, and so the Chinese gaming giant Tencent has stepped forward to take over the project. Tencent's deep capabilities and as a leading gaming company will definitely bring the franchise to new heights. Also, and the interesting factor is that the rights of System Shock 4 has also been sold to Tencent, so we have to see whether Tencent does faith and does the right thing with System Shock franchise or not. Serious Sam 4, again a game which teased gamers in 2013, and it's been 7 long years in the making and waiting, but finally it has got a release date, much to the joy of the Serious Sam fans. It is scheduled to release on August this year on PC. Crow team, who are working on this game, had planned to release this game way back in 2014 but were not able to do so, and they have plans to revamp this game and give a new touch to this franchise. The much popular Halo franchise, which eluded the PC community, is making its way back with Halo 3, which is scheduled to launch on PC on mid-July. The testing for this game has begun in phases, with some of the testing scheduled on June, which will be testing the fighting mechanism of the game, and so far the testing has gone without much issues and hassles. And so we could see a very good game, Halo 3, coming to PC mid of July. With this, we have come to the end of the show. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button. Game Wrap, a destination where all the gaming news is there and which every gamer should definitely know. See you on another episode. Bye bye, take care, keep gaming.